Hey guys, if you want to know how I stay fit on rainy days, I don't always stay inside. In fact, one of my favorite ways to stay active on a rainy day is any water sport you can imagine, whether it's windsurfing, surfing, supping, or kayaking, or even fishing. Why do you ask? Well, I don't care if I get wet because I'm already wet. Definitely a learning curve to understanding that during a pandemic it would probably be hard to run out and buy a phone, so you probably shouldn't have it in the water with you. Also, one of the things about being outside in nature is the wildlife. You don't want to mess with the wildlife. Different boards have different features that they're designed for. Like this first one here is designed for racing. It goes in a straight line, which is why it's so long. The second one is more for surfing. So that would be like turning up a wave or being able to move really fast. The third one you see there is actually a hydrofoil. That one allows you to go fast and turn, but that feature in the back there allows you to go up and down in the air outside of the water. The last one is a surf sup. You stand up pedal on that, but because it's much wider than this one, as you can see, that one allows you to surf